Do you have watches in your collection that just aren't getting enough wrist time? We all do. Revive them back into the weekly rotation with a new strap or a bracelet. Stay tuned. Hi, and welcome to Joe's Watch Show. Today's episode, we're going to do something totally different. We're going to review watch straps. You saw the pop-up. Today's episode is sponsored by StrapsCo. They invited me to select 3 watch straps that go along with my watches at no cost. You do not need to return them. I'll add my affiliate link down below in the description in case you want to pick up one or more. Stay tuned to the end for a bonus strap swap and a 4th mystery strap. Okay, let's take a look at strap number 1. Okay, first up, it's the ladder bracelet in black IP stainless steel, brushed solid links, 6-position micro adjust, which is one of my favorites, a secure release over the buckle. The only thing I'm not thrilled about is a non-milled scissor clasp, but I think it's fitting because it's going to go on a Seiko, and if you had a Seiko stainless steel bracelet, you would get the same thing, so it's fine. Here it is. It's going to go on my Bruce Lee 55th anniversary Seiko 5 that I bought in Singapore, limited edition. Currently on a bright yellow black stripe NATO. It looks great on the strap, don't get me wrong. It's just a little bright and I want to tone this down. The watch did come with a very odd choice, just a straight black leather, very stiff strap that I have not worn, probably never will. All right, we'll take a break. We'll swap the strap. Okay, we're back. And here it is. Super cool with those open spaces in the bracelet. Very comfortable, light because obviously there's a bit less material in that band because of the open spots. Again, 6 positions of micro adjust, which makes it really great to get the right fit on your wrist. I took 4 full links out for my 7-inch wrist. Fits great. It's light to wear. I think it really looks great. I think it tones the watch down. It comes in 18, 19, 20, 21, and 22 millimeter lug widths. This is 22 millimeters. We will have a surprise second swap with this band later on, so stay tuned. And then we're going to go right into strap number 2. Okay, strap number 2, Explorer NATO style with a deployment clasp, which is one of my favorite things. Really like a deployment clasp. This is the watch that we're going to work with today. It's an Alpina start timer, big date chronograph. Love the watch, love the look of the watch. Have struggled with bands for a while. Came with a straight black band, which really didn't pull that khaki color off the dial that are on the numerals indices, and it really kept it dark for me. I immediately went to a NATO strap, which probably was a tan and black one. Then I went to this one because I saw somebody else do it. Pulls that red out of the back end of the second hand, has black hardware, so it really does fit the watch. It's just not comfortable. Then I went to a black sailcloth strap. I'm back to black. It doesn't look bad, just doesn't look great. Let's swap that strap out. Okay, we're back. And here it is. And look at that dial, khaki color pop on that stripe. That's exactly what I was expecting with this. It just looks like it was made for the watch. Nice black matching, right? Matches the case perfectly. Deployment clasp, which is really nice the way this is fitting. There's your adjustments right there. Really nice quality on this. Very easy. That snap, that release. Single pass, so it's not bulky. Nice material too. Not stretchy. Very comfortable. Very comfortable. Light, obviously. This one comes in 13 colors, 18, 20, and 22 millimeter lug widths. This is 22. This is on my 7-inch wrist. Super happy with this one. Let's look at strap. number 3. Okay, strap number 3, Gridline CTS FKM rubber strap by Desari. CTS is cut to size, is going to go on this watch, which is my Seiko 5 55th anniversary limited edition Honda Super Cub, which is certainly very cool, and clearly the strap completely matches the watch face. To tone the watch down, to wear it a little bit more often, we're going to go with something not quite as colorful, and that's this blue, but it's got a pattern on it. It's got a really cool butterfly clasp, and we're going to cut it to size. So I'll show you that on camera next. Okay, first step is to take the old strap off, and in this case, pretty easy because you've got drilled lugs. So you pop it out with the little tool there. Super easy. Drilled lugs are one of the best things ever on a watch. Put it on. This does have quick release pins. Again, makes it much easier than regular pins. This is a butterfly clasp, so it's going to click in like that. It's going to pop open like that. We're going to cut these sections off little by little, because once you take them off, you cannot add them back on. Very unforgiving, so you got to be careful. So it's a little tedious. I'm probably not going to do it on camera. Cut and come back, but I just wanted to show you that. There's some great videos online on how to do it. The one that I found was from Mark at Long Island Watch, how to size a deployment rubber strap. Watch and learn number 88. I'll leave that in the description. Definitely helped me. All right, we'll be back. Okay, we're back, and there's the carnage. Yes, 13 sections had to be cut off. It took probably about 15 minutes because I wanted to be really careful, but there's the result. You can see how it really kind of chills the watch out. Still looks good, still matches. It kind of makes it a grown-up watch. Not that it wasn't, just with that matching band, it's this one, the Super Cub band, it's certainly more playful. More casual. This is definitely, again, dresses it up. There's that butterfly clasp, easy off, right? Super easy, really comfortable. You got to be careful you don't need it real tight. I like my watches to fit more snug. My wrist, again, is 7 inches. I can kind of snug my finger underneath. The only problem with this one, it has really no micro adjustments, so you're going to want to leave it on the loose side. Again, because you can't put material back on. There are other CTS straps like this, and it has more of a diver watch buckle that has micro adjustments in it. That might be a better choice in some cases, but you don't want to strangle your wrist with this type of band anyway. So it does come in 11 color options, 5 clasps finishes, different stainless finishes, 20 millimeter and 22 millimeter lug widths. This is 22 millimeters. I think it's a toned down, dressed up, more grown-up look. Like, you know, this you can wear to the office. This is questionable. I think it's a good result. On to strap number 4, the surprise strap. Okay, we're back. I mentioned strap number 4, but strap number 4 is delayed. They never shipped it. Won't be here in time. Strap number 4 really becomes the mystery swap. Here's the Alpina on the ladder bracelet. I think I like it. Still looks good. I don't know that I would wear it like this, but I think it's an option. And I think that's the fun part about straps, is you really are completely unlimited on the looks that you can have just with, if you just introduce one new watch strap into your collection, it may fit multiple watches. This is a perfect example right here.
Don't flip your unworn watches, flip the strap instead. StrapsCo, buy 3, get 1 free is your watch revival cheat code. I hope you enjoyed today's episode. If so, please like and subscribe. and hit the little notification bell to be notified of future episodes when they hit. Take a peek at one of the videos up on screen, and thanks for watching.